So if you took a look at my pool right now, you would think that it's not running. And that's because yesterday I made some adjustments. I took my eyeball jets and pointed them down to the right. That's that one. Normally it was breaking the surface of the water. And I also did the one at the far end of the pool. And there you can see it down there. It's facing down to the right. So actually the water, if you can see it, it's circulating. You can see the circulation. And it is now going counterclockwise. Now what this has done, and I didn't believe it, it actually has stopped, almost stopped the pH from rising in the pool. I haven't had to add any acid for 2 days. And now, in this particular shape here, I was adding 1 pint of acid just about every day, sometimes every other day. But now my pH is right around 7.5 to 7.6 for the past 2 days. And that's all because of pointing the jets down about 10 to 20% and in one direction. And if you take a good look at the pool, you can see the water is swirling around and circulating. And there's a lot of improvements with the chemistry from doing this. So I wouldn't have believed it, but I actually saw some videos online and I figured I'd do my own. But there is some truth to the fact that if you have a gunite pool or any pool and you're getting pH rise on a regular occasion, it's typically because the return jets are breaking the surface of the water, which I thought made perfect sense. But in this case here, science has proven that that is not the case, and the water is going to be more stable in this condition. Take care.